In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the YouTube app on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But not many people know this. You can actually watch YouTube through the application without even opening your browser at all. So all you got to do to install it is open up your browser of choice just to install it, then just go over to YouTube. So we're just going to search up YouTube right now, then just click on the first link, which is obviously www.youtube.com. Then from here, what you want to do is press these three little dots, and you can just do this with Chrome. It's the easiest thing to do. So once you're here, press these three little dots, then you're going to see cast, save, and share towards the very bottom. So we're going to click on that, just hover over it, then it's going to open this little area here, and you're going to see install YouTube right here. So what I want to do is install YouTube, and it's going to say install app, then just press install right here. Now, as you can see, the YouTube application is actually installed. It shows it as an actual drop down. It instantly installs, no time at all. And obviously, if I want to pin it to the taskbar, I can pin it as well. So that way, when I X out of YouTube, it's automatically pinned. And if I ever want to open it again, just press that. And as you can see, it's loading up and you'll be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.